Arcane users ready your cleanse. Hold, that's fake. Engage sila. Defensive on the front time. We're gonna counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack. Okay, kamas. Teka lang, mali ako ng skill eh. Wow. Kamas. Disengage. Teka lang. Hindi ako ano. Okay, kamis. We go back. Okay, we let them engage first, then we soak the damage, then push tayo. Okay? You play counter. Kamas. The tanks take station sa front ko. Pero sila for engage southwest. The tanks
Uy,
Oh,
sila.
don't. Fake. Walk in, guys. Walk in south. Walk in south. Like that nothing. We're gonna counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the center. For damage. Okay, push them southeast. Kill everyone that's low. Come northeast. Northeast, boys. East. Push east.
Hold nyo, wag nyo pagkaitin.
Push northeast. Drop tanks, start catching.
Ingat may gitna
We're gonna counter,
sila.
Go. Ready defensives.
May gitna sila.
By the wall in 3 seconds. Defensive. Drop UD, counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big clump, more damage to the center. Nice, good job. Good fucking job. Okay, come northwest. Let them escape. Come to me.
Come to me? Are you gay?
Ubus agad? Wala pang namatay sa inyo, no?
Wala ka kasi tol kaya naubos agad.
Wala ka rin, huwag ka man trash talk.
Naka-record ba? May ano ba? Record?
Naka-record ako.
Sayang kung nandyan ako, ubus tayo sa first clap.
Wow.
Kunyari naniniwala kami tol
Kunwari hindi ka namamatay sa serve. Okay, okay.
Nice defensive.
Sila.
Okay, kamas. To play kite. Kamas. Let them come to us. Kamas. Come northwest.
Sila.
Come northwest. Stay ready. Come to me.
Walking in sila.
Okay. Start pushing. Start walking in.
Sila, nag-autak lang sila sa stair.
Hold. We play counter. Teka lang. May kinukuha
Nag-autak
ako.
lang sila sa stair. Wala nang defensive healer nila.
Start rolling. Okay.
Wala nang
Look south.
defensive healer
Look south. Deep south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The center. Defensive. Come northeast. Now push them southeast.
Wala nang defensive healer nila.
Push them southeast. Southwest. Come southeast. Push them, boys. Push them.
10 seconds, may engage na sila.
Kill our friends.
May engage
Engage in 3,
sila, may engage sila.
2, 1. First engage. We're gonna counter in 5, 4, follow up in 3, 2, 1. Okay? Come northwest. Disengage.
Oh no!
Nice. Debbie, anong boots mo?
Ay, walang margin dito ah.
Okay.
Kasi ba't color blue yan? Ba't color blue? Di ba red kanina yan?
Oh. Ka-transform yan kung conforme sa mood pre.
Ay, ganun.
Ay, galit na yan.
Ganun ba yun? Ay, galit na. Ganun pala yun.
Conforme sa mood.
Wait lang tol,
Okay,
reply lang ako sa update lang ako tol.
For next play natin, magiging aggressive tayo. We engage first, tapos we stop the damage nung engage nila.
Kaya mo one-shitin yan with early.
Pero, nag-enjoy pa ako, kababalik ko lang.
Ano man lang, may heavy mace tayo diba?
Tayo naman kaya mag-first engage with you.
Kaya one-shitin yan,
ito.
heavy. Huwag yung
Sabihin nila hindi.
Reminder lang, healer, you play outside.
Nagpapanik yung healer nila with, Oo,
okay, got you.
madaling nagpa-proc agad ng defensive.
Hold now. Ready? Okay, we push now. Come southeast. Start walking in. Start walking in. We're gonna engage at the center. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More damage, boys. Any damage. Okay, come northeast. Spread more east.
Engage sila,
Start
engage.
defensive. Hold. Heals on northwest. We're gonna counter 10 seconds. Start rolling. Putting pressure. Come southeast, west. Come southeast. 10 seconds. We're gonna counter 10 seconds. So, 5 seconds. By the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All in on the stairs. Good fucking job. Delete this guys. Good kill. Okay, push nyo. Hindi sila nag-GG. Ito, dami low sa southeast. Sa southwest. Hold now. Come southeast. Let's engage.
Mamatay tanga. Mamatay tanga.
Bakas mong ano, astral oh.
Sorry.
Ay, gago.
One more.
Tumama kayo.
One more. Try natin bilisan ng engage. Medyo mabagal yung response ng DPS. Hindi na nakakasunod agad.
Mabagal din yung golem mo. Dapat 3, nakaklamp na yan eh.
Oh, sinong...
Five.
Torio.
4, 3.
Bilisan mo, Torio. Bilisan mo yung ano.
Tol, trade mo sa akin, tol. Magana ako, golem mo. Tol.
First engage tayo. Fast engage. Asan na sila?
Ayaw na ata eh.
Hindi lang set up.
2 rounds to, hindi ako papakain na isa lang.
BP naman, sunod.
Napag-asos ako ng chicken nuggets kanina eh, para dito eh. Come southwest. Engage fast ha. Look by the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kada choke. Good, delete. Okay, push them north. Push them north, boys. Defensive. Push them north.
Sila, may engage pa sila.
Push through the choke, boys. Push through the choke.
Baba.
Switch position, boys. Switch position. Okay, stabilize. We're gonna counter. Look at the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the choke. Okay, come east. Case and miss. Can somebody drop Judy at the center?
May namatay.
Come east.
Sorry. Sorry.
Counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the center, look at the clump. Magandang damage. Come west. Magandang damage nyo. Come. Patay nyo yung low. Tagal lang
Walang
yun,
babalik kapag namatay. Walang babalik. Narigit.
Yun, GG. May bad dun sa call na yun. Medyo unfair yung ano.
Sabi mo infernal, 10 seconds lang.
Logo na ko, Ox. Tutulo.
Ayan.
Bakit? Mabagal kayo.
Hindi, balik ka na Lily.
mag-engage? Alam,
30
pwede nyo
seconds.
predict. Pwede nyo naman i-predict kung ano. Yung speed ng engage yung mabagal.
Tingnan nyo lang si
Kaibigan pala kayo.
si Piece of Monkey.
Nag-lift ko
tingnan
yun.
si
Oh.
Weeby.
I-advance nyo yung ano, i-advance nyo yung
Yung-
drop. Alam
wag
ko,
yung-
alam nyo kung saan mag-drop. Mag-drop yung golem. I-drop
Hindi
yun
guys,
agad
sa
yung
golem,
ano.
wag sa air compre. Golem yung clamper natin. Pre.
Huwag nyo nang hintay mo po yung malaban. Predict nyo na kung saan magka-clamp. Tapos doon nyo i-drop. Bagal na response eh. Kaya kayo natatalo eh. Come northwest.
Kaya ko tong lahat.
Come northwest. It's defensive. We're gonna counter in 5,
Four, defensive yung
3,
push nila.
2, 1.
May engage.
Come
Yan na
east.
silang engage.
Put pressure east. East.
Ingat sa
East,
gitna.
push them east, push them east, push them east, push them east.
May engage na sila, may
Healer,
engage na
stop
sila.
around. Okay,
Ayun,
go sila for
engaging
engage,
na.
go sila for engage. Hold, hold, hold. Spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more. Defensive,
Galing,
hold their deepest. Nice defensive, nice defensive, nice defensive. Counter, Itoro in 3, 2, 1. Gotok lang. Tagal ng DPS. Tangina nyo. Ano ba?
Lili yung
Kamis. We wait until Cycles running, then we engage again. Hold now, hold now. Hold. Okay. Look by the crystal. Southeast ng crystal, plus ng crystal, southwest ng crystal. Southwest ng crystal. We're gonna headbutt in 5, 4, 3, 2. Puto. Kinatayo ako.
Ingat, engage na sila.
Drop damage.
Counter yan.
Defensive. Drop heals to the center.
Ito na, AFK
West
oh.
of the
Akin
crystal.
to, ah.
May na-netra yung laro ko.
Akin
Hold
to,
boy,
akin to.
hold. Spread. Huwag kayo mag-lock. Last second, kinain siya the seconds. Hold. Spread more. Defensive. Drop Judy in the center. Nice. Look west in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1.
Ayun na yan, babalikan ko to.
Ayaw,
Spread more, come
tama na
northeast.
Hey.
Patay niya si Sharpnel. Siya yung caller nila. Camis.
Ayun na, engaging sila.
Somebody drop Jody.
Ayun na, sa gitna, may Judy sa gitna, may Judy.
Southeast. Nice one.
Hindi di sa kristal ha. Pasok kayo pag roll.
Okay.
Ayun na, nagkakita sila pababa ng
Wait. Merong pa-purge. Okay. Go southeast now.
Ayun na.
By the stairs in 3, 2, 1. Drop damage. Pagaling talaga.
Na-aircon na din yung DPS.
Ayun na, bus na. Balong pa.
Bagal ang DPS eh.
Yun ang laro ko.
Push your west. Keep pushing west.
Nangyari sa inyo eh.
Bakit nagsazombie sila ha?
Kung
no?
sila tolo, no?
Kaya rin sila
Yo.
mag-zombie.
Ay.
Defensive. Hold.
Hindi ako matay sa atin eh.
Boys,
sila,
don't use your
meron
E. Don't use your
Na,
E.
engage na.
Engage. Defensive.
Ay, nagana sila.
Kamas.
Wala na silang
Ginagawa na ito mga to.
Ayun na.
Come northeast.
Wala na.
By the crystal, northeast of the crystal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito na yung damage. Yun!
Bagal pa din eh. Kung makakita
Di ba
nyo
no?
na
Di ba no?
1v1, ayaw tol.
Ayaw, tol.
Liga dito.
Come to the center. GG. Come to the center.
Uy, tama na.
Yun. Nang zombie na nga sila, nagpa-GG pa sila. Parang may mali ah.
Naantok si
Ayun
Ersin
na,
sa
ayun
inyo
na.
eh.
Nakatayo nga lang ako
Boys,
dito.
sabagay.
Kita mo ba ako?
Bagal ang
Nandito
engage
lang
nyo.
ako. Nandito lang ako kanina.
Bagal ang engage nyo.
Oh, DPS,
Nakatayo
bilisan
lang
nyo.
ako dito eh. Dito lang ako.
Ano ba DPS natin?
Huwag nyo gamitin yung inyo. Huwag nyo gamitin yung inyo kapag hindi naman tayo nag-engage.
Wala ka palang
Ah,
RB
hindi
no?
pwede
Wala
siyang
ka palang
timer,
RB no?
compressor.
Wait, wala ka palang RB no?
Wala.
Lagi, puro Infernal. Wala kang debuff.
15 man kasi, 15 man. Hindi, meron akong Hindi, ikaw, Damnation.
Yung masolid yung masolid. May reduce HP kasi yung RB. Yung max health.
Okay.
Pwede mo spam yan. Spam mo na ng spam.
May HP cut yun eh.
Oo.
Para
Hindi. Basta okay ang CD niyan. Pop mo na ulit.
Eh, pwede nyo kayo mag-walk
Okay.
dito, no? Hoy, tank!
Okay, we walk in na. Practice tayo defensive ha. Walk in boys, walk in. Don't engage. Defensive. Heal on the front line, Walk in boys, walk in. Don't do anything, just walk in. Come northeast. Push. Soak through that damage boys, we practice defense. Push through. We're gonna engage now. By the wall in 3, 2, 1. At the center boys, at the center. Magaling. Pwede na. Okay, come up the center. Come up the center, disengage, come up the center. Yan yun na, mabayaan yun. West. Tama na.
Dot pala nagano na lang din ako Royal Shoes ball.
Stig lang.
Heal, baka naman.
Gagawin stig kaya
Ano
nila.
ba yung color nila? Markahan nyo nga yung color nila.
Si Charpnel.
Tumatalo.
Isa si Sharp.
Ganyan ang bungo. Ay, so strong.
Hindi, may import kasi kaming ano eh. 1 din, saka
Ano, may UC dito.
UC dito.
Mag-mount ka,
Tingnan mo
mag-mount ka sa
UC.
Maya, mag-mount ka. Pakita mo. Maglibot ka doon, maglibot ka.
Yun.
Ay, so strong.
Yabang.
Ayun, nagyabang ha.
Yabang.
Yabang na RC, oh.
Parang ako yun, di mo na kayo.
Ayun lang, may upper class, oh. Oh, kitang-kita, oh.
May UC
Come sa this. Okay, we push through. We play defense ulit. We play defensives. Okay, counter this. Push them, boys. Push them.
Ay, walang kasama si
Kaya
Gideon.
mag-coordination.
Boys. Push through. Defensive.
Wala silang
Let
defensive.
them- Wala, no? Pwede tayo
Wala,
mag-engage, no?
Abot kayo not armor
Okay,
sila.
the center. Look at the center. At the choke. Okay, look at the engage. Bawal ng DPS.
Ay, puta kumal ba yun?
Ngayon lang, oh. Okay, kamas, oh.
Wala pa silang engage. 10 seconds na engage na sila. Ready. Ayun.
Drop UD center. Nice, UD. Nice defensive. Okay, look southeast. At the choke, southeast at the choke. In 3, 2, 1. Southeast at the choke. Good, fucking. Pwede na. Okay, kamas.
Wala na silang golem.
Kamas.
Grabe,
Eh,
197.
tol. Tulong tayo, tol.
Ano ba ginagawa niya?
Kaysa nyo ngayon, pas engage.
Kira-kira nyo.
Patay.
Ayun na. Bitaw. Ayan yun na.
Ganyan naman kayo, tatagalala.
197.20.
Ayun na. Oy, may sinasino yung nagsabi kanina ng ano, yung namatay ano.
Oo, may clip ako.
Nadulas eh,
Ako, may
nadulas.
record ako, may record.
Kilala ko
Ang lutong, tol, ang lutong.
Lutong
Walang
yun,
friendly fire dito. Walang friendly fire.
Ah,
Sorry, kala ko kasi simple eh.
wow, wala. Alam niya na hindi ako kasali. Ah,
Sabi niya pa, pre, sino namatay? Tanga.
tanga. Oh, grabe. Naka-record yun.
Okay, para sa susunod, we play pass engage.
Ah, nakatay na siya yung ano.
We play pass engage siya. Okay, look at the choke. Eh, wait nyo muna mag-play. We kite northwest. Monkeys. Monkeys. Northwest. Tangin na ito mga bagal sa kung ba kayo.
Dito na ako.
Ayun
Okay,
na,
look south.
engage sila.
Look south.
Saklay
5,
target, tol.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yun.
Nice, nice.
Ay, wala na. Wala
Push them,
direct
push them,
look
push
na.
them, push them.
Na yung defensive
Push them,
na.
no engage. Roll them.
Tangina mo.
Roll them.
Drop it.
Okay, come northwest.
Pinaka na.
Sige, they have engage. Spread. They have
10
engage.
seconds, na-engage siya sila.
Counter this.
Yun na.
Defensive. We're gonna count 5,
Meron pa, hindi pa yan. Yun na.
2, 1. Ito.
Pag-drop ko lang ang save ko.
Okay, you spread now. Spread, boys. Spread.
Yun na,
Nice.
engaging sila. Defense.
Spread. Heal.
Sige, sa gitna, may disrespect.
Kamis. Heal up.
Ito, may
Tamis,
heal,
masilap.
may duty sa east dito sa kaya ano, sa akin.
Okay, look southwest now. At tapos taling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tayo yan. Nice. Okay, come northeast.
Engaging sila.
Defensive. Nice defensive. Come northeast. So, sige, push
Basta
nyo.
mo naman,
Para ano, round 2 tayo. Patayin nyo na.
20v20 naman, wait.
Oo nga.
Punta ka na, Chris.
Sa kabila na kami.
Punta ka na.
Ako na magtukol sa kabila, tol.
Okay, come northeast. Kabunin ka northeast.
Tol, engage tayo, tol. Walang ginagawa eh.
Ano? Okay, the center in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Pull up.
Feel ko yun eh.
Ay, last kill. Wala silang